Today we'll take you along the south coast of New South Wales to the border of Victoria. We find hidden rock pools, have close encounters with seals and whales, stay at an epic caravan park and eat some of the best donuts ever.
We're now on the coast.
Phew!
So Isaac's obviously very happy, Mr. Waterboy here. We are starting the trip off at Seacliff Bridge, and yeah, it's been on my bucket list for a really long time. We're here at about 7:30, 8 a.m. There's no one else here. We've already seen another drone though, but yeah.
We not too many cars either, which is good, and yeah, enjoying the views, soaking up the sun. Nice 25 degrees here in New South Wales coastline.
Yes, loving it.
Loving it. Let's go. So we are at Fitzroy Falls up in Moran National Park, I think it was.
I can't remember where.
I think it was, and yeah, we're gonna go check out this waterfall. Is very popular. Apparently quite tall though, so let's go check it out.
Yay! So we just walked the East Rim track to Warrawong. Warrawong Lookout to get kind of a side-on view of the falls. We wish the West Rim track was open, but unfortunately not today.
Yeah, so there's a lookout that's across the valley, which is kind of pretty much in front of it, but they have shut it for today apparently. So well, can't do anything about it, eh?
No, and this is what we get. So.
But yeah, on to the next spot, I guess, and hopefully that isn't shut.
Yeah.
G'day guys, we are here in Bass Point Reserve on the south coast of New South Wales, just below Sydney and just below Wollongong.
And we have parked up at the furthest car park in the reserve,
yep.
Where we're going to start our walk to Bass Point Reserve Rock Pools, I guess. There's a few others, I think at Bushrangers Bay Rock Pools, but we're going to try and find these ones. I think they're a little bit more hidden. But yeah. Yeah,
it is low tide today at 3:30, I think it is. So we're here about nearly 3 o'clock, so it should be fine by the time we get there.
Fingers crossed.
And yeah, we'll show you how to get there, and let's do it.
Yeah.
So you go from the car park, and then you go up about 100 meters, turn right down a little Y shape, and then head to the concrete path. And if you're on that, you know you're going the right way. And then we head down the stairs and head over to the rock pools. So we just made it to the rock pools. It is very easy. We just walked around the corner, probably about 100, 150 meters, and our first rock pool down here, quite big. We got one over there as well. We've got a small little baby one in the middle, and one behind us as well. So definitely come and enjoy it. We've got it all to ourselves at the moment. So let's jump in, get the drone up, and show you around. Okay, so we've just finished up at the rock pools and they are stunning, well worth a visit. And we found it very easily on Beyonder, the app. It is an app that shows you all hidden gems around Australia and very unique ones as well.
And so with every hidden gem, they link to like Facebook posts, Instagram posts, blogs, YouTube videos and like to tell you how to get there if you need a little bit more help.
Yep.
And you can also review each spot that you go to as well, or save it ready for, you know, your road.
Let's go hit another gem on Beyonder.
Woo! Alright, so we've just arrived at So we've just arrived at the Beecroft Peninsula, and the first place that we went to is Honeymoon Bay. Isaac's getting ready to hopefully send up a drone so that you guys can see it from above. But oh my god, the water here is just stunning. But yeah, I'll turn it around for you. Oh, James Bond getting out of the water.
Moto likes you. We are here at Jervis Bay on the south coast of New South Wales. We are heading down to Cave Beach and hopefully go spot a nice cave and go for a wander in, check out the beach and yeah, continue enjoying this stunning weather.
Cave, I think.
It's definitely not a hidden gem.
No, there's a lot of people at this beach, especially on a Saturday. So maybe try and get here not on the weekend. But yeah, it seemed like, I mean, we just waited our turn to be allowed into the cave. There's no one waiting to go in there right now, so.
Yeah, it's a nice spot though. It is definitely nice down here at Jervis Bay.
Yeah. Oh no, Isaac, no, he's gonna go for the bread. No, stop getting food out. He wants it. He's got a little baby with him.
So we made it to the rock pool at
Manana Beach.
and it is absolutely gorgeous here. The water colour is phenomenal. The rock pool is not amazingly deep, but you can definitely dip in there.
Yeah, it was about waist height when I was standing, so.
It is quite windy, but very enjoyable.
Easy one to find if you know there's one here.
Yep.
You just walk to the farthest end of the beach, climb up the rocks onto the, yeah, and then keep, and you'll find it.
Another Yonder hidden gem. So we're at Manana Beach, and we parked near the toilets down the bottom of the road, cars over there, and then we just head down here, down the beach, and then go off to the left hand side. And you walk down the beach and you find some rocks, and then start climbing the rocks, and you'll find the hidden rock pool. Good morning. So we've just camped at Norama Surf Holiday Park, and it is a gorgeous spot if anyone's going to stay here. It's pretty cheap, $35 a night for an unpowered site. I think it's $45 for a powered, and you get views just like this on the beach looking down, and it is spectacular. We woke up to a nice sunrise, and yeah, we're going to head off for the day, but yeah, definitely stay here. Good tip. You're on my rock. Okay, we're here in Narooma, and it is about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're here at Seal Rocks, and we are literally watching seals in the water on the edge of the rocks right next to us.
It is so cool. I could stay here all day and just watch them like spin around in the water. Or
there's little pups, there's some mamas for sure. It is very, very awesome down here, and the watercolor is beautiful, so you can see them very clearly.
So we were just heading back to the car, and I noticed there was a boat out, and there's a couple whales out on the water. Isaac's just tried to put up his drone for the first time ever. Catching, oh my god, they're over there, Isaac.
I'm trying to go look.
Tried to catch some whales for the first time ever with a drone. There was a calf and a mum, and I think I've just spotted some more further to the left of where the boat initially was, so yeah.
Oh my god, donuts. We found them at Narooma Market. Had to stop. Must stop. Must do. Must eat. We have got normal cinnamon, chocolate mint, I think it was, and strawberry. Which one am I going for? Normal. Ultimate test. Yum.
Oh my
god. Oh my god, donuts are all vegan, gluten free as well, and so good. Yum! So,
We've just arrived at Green Cape Lighthouse, right on the border of
Victoria and New South Wales.
This will be one of our final stops here before we head over to Victoria and do some fun stuff before we head back to Melbourne there as well.
Yeah. But yeah, let's enjoy this lighthouse.
Let's see if we can spot some whales.
Yeah. Enjoy the nice coastline.
Woo!
There's so many there.
We've just crossed the border back into Victoria. It's been an incredible 2 weeks on the road. Blue Mountains, East Coast, Sydney to, well, Melbourne.
Yeah. We didn't actually go into Sydney, but yes.
No. Blue Mountains, bypass Sydney, straight down.
It's been great. We've had some amazing weather, very lucky for September. They were thinking there's going to be a lot of rain, so I think we dodged that, which is great. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, eh?